2, 1.
Alright. Good afternoon. My name is Sergeant First Class Elizalde, and today I'm going to go ahead and learn how to sharpen a knife. Any one of you watch a TV commercial before that they sell dull knife? You guys seen one of those before?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have? I've never seen one of those before. Every time I see an infomercial on TV, they always sell a sharp knife, right? They don't really sell you a dull knife. Alright, so we're going to get to the bottom of that, to the end of this discussion, and we're going to know why they don't sell dull knives. Alright, first thing first, okay, we're going to look at our equipment. So in the table, what I have here is a sharpening stone. Got my knife, a boning knife, and then my butcher steel. Alright, since I gathered all my equipment, normally I would put oil on my sharpening stone, but since I don't have oil, I could use water as an alternative, alright, from sharpening my knife. Okay. Anybody in the audience have sharpened a knife before?
Most certainly.
You have? Okay. Alright. So, can somebody tell me, how do I start when I sharpen my knife?
Go outwards, heel to tip.
Alright, so heel to tip. Okay, so basically when we sharpen our knife, first thing we can do is we're going to find a flat surface to place our stone. Okay, and in the flat surface, I'll oil the stone, make sure there's no debris or particles within that stone. And with my knife, I'm going to go from heel, right? From heel to tip. Coming back. Alright, so from the bottom of my knife, you see the edge at the bottom, and heel, tip. Alright, go over to the opposite direction, heel, tip. Alright, you don't have to transfer hands, you use the same hand. All you do is flip the knife over. Alright, from heel to tip. Just like so. Alright, so depending on the size of the knife, the stone, the edge is actually going to have particles in it. That's the reason why we use oil, because the oil is going to coat that particle and all the steel that's coming off the blade. So, but we can use water, which is a demonstration here. I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit of water. My stone, alright, and my stone is not getting hot because I'm not consistently sharpening this knife. So, typically, there's no number that you can count of the repetition to sharpen a knife. And when you look at the bottom of the knife, see the edge, there should be rough markings in the bottom, so you can tell that you're doing it effectively. Okay? And then, once you're done with the stone, go ahead and put the stone away. Now we're going to our second part. Alright, this part, you're going to be doing is truing the blade. Have you heard that word before, truing the blade?
Yes, sir.
All you're doing for truing the blade is you're keeping the edge of that knife longer. Remember, when you put this knife in hot water, it will lose its edge. That's why we don't really wash the knife in hot water, right? But here in the class, we'll teach you hot soapy water, right?
Yes, sir.
But at home, you should use hot water because that would definitely take that edge off a lot quicker. And now we're going to true the blade. All we're doing is removing the particles, the rough stone that's created within our blade. Okay, so grip the butcher steel firmly, all right, with a downward motion. You can start from the outside or the inside, depending on what hand you are. So I'm left-handed. You're going to start from the inside, from down, from the outside. Okay, that's one method you do. You see on TV, people do it as fast as they can, or people use the same side. Okay, and the reason why they do that is, like I said, depending on what hand they are. If they're left-handed, you can just use one side. All right, if you're right-handed, use the opposite. And the reason behind that is because the next person that could be using your knife would be a right-handed, so you're trying to do both sides of the blade instead of just one side. Alright, and the safest way to do it, if you're not comfortable doing this, you could use the stone, set the butcher steel just like so, and you can do the same motion. Alright, from heel to the tip of the knife, from the bottom to the tip of the knife. Like so. Alright, now that I'm done sharpening my knife with a stone and a butcher steel, last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it with soap and water. Soap here, with water. Alright, so when I have my knife sharpened, should I use a dry towel to dry this knife, or should I just let it air dry?
Air dry.
Air dry? Okay, alright, so anything that you use in the kitchen, right, we'd never dry it with a towel or paper towel, anything, materials like that. We always let it air dry. And so we'll leave it out, so let the stuff dry. Alright, so in conclusion, what we learned today is how to sharpen a knife, how to use a sharpening stone, and how to use a butcher's steel. Okay, so before it closes out, I'm gonna start from my question from the beginning. Have you ever watched TV before and you see somebody selling a dull knife?
No.
Alright, can everybody tell me why is that?
Because they have to prove that the product is infected as they claim it's supposed to be.
Alright, the reason behind that is because a dull knife is an unsafe knife. A sharp knife is a safe knife because it cuts through whatever you're trying to cut. If you have a dull knife, you're using force instead of the knife itself, and that's how you cut your fingers. There's a lot of accident in the kitchen with cut fingers is caused by a dull knife. Alright, that concludes my speech. Thank you very much.